The kernel of that report is actually to advise the Nnamdi Kanu trial or continuation of trial and whether it deserves to be transferred to a hospital, i.e. the national hospital. So that report was not in. So for that reason, the prosecution made a motion, an application to adjourn the matter to another date, and the judge granted the application and adjourned the matter to 16th October.
So on the issue of medical counsel, yesterday medical counsel sat on the issue that has to do with Professor Aj, and when I got the information, I went to that place because I've written a petition against the DSSS doctor, the one that never examined Nnamdi Kanu, and wrote a report that was a couple of years ago, and nothing happened. Then I also wrote another one against the doctor that never examined Nnamdi Kanu, but had the audacity to depose 37-paragraph affidavit, countering the report of Professor Aj. But surprisingly, they left to my own petition and be treating another issue. I went there, confronted them with it, so they succeeded in intimidating me and harassing me with a petition against me at the LTDC. But that one is a different ballgame altogether. Now to the President, Mr. President, the President of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, please, as a matter of urgency, direct Attorney General to discontinue this funny charge. This charge is embarrassing Nigeria the more, and the more they kept on applying for adjournment. I know that they must have advised you, telling you that they don't have a case. I know what I'm saying. So in order to protect the integrity of Nigeria, please allow them to discontinue this particular charge, and then so that the Nnamdi Kanu will continue with his agitation. Address all those issues that gave rise to the agitation. Everything will calm down. Anything short of that, if Nnamdi Kanu is released, is expected to continue with the agitation. That is the naked truth. There is no going back. And all those people that are dancing around you, praising you, they are deceiving you. They are making your government unpopular. We are the people that are helping your government, telling you the truth. Attorney General will not tell you the truth, of course. No, don't touch me. Attorney General will not tell you the truth. And then we are the people that will tell you the truth. They don't have a case against Nnamdi Kanu. Of course, you know that I believe that Nnamdi Kanu is from the north or from the southwest. We will not be here today. They are doing him because it's from Igbo. Nobody should touch me. Allow me to express myself. It's my right. So Nnamdi Kanu is suffering this thing because he's an Igbo. He's from southeast. Those of you that are in the House of Assembly, Senate, bench warmers, we watch what is going on. At the appropriate time, we will tell you people that yes, the masses are watching you. Thanks and have a nice day.
Yes.